It is about 2:30 in the morning. It's probably about 15 to 20 degrees.
It's getting freezing in here, Mr. Bigglesworth.
We really need to get the rest of the insulation buttoned up because it's pretty cold. I mean, we've definitely stayed in colder, but this is our situation every night. Luna's always tucked in behind my knees. And then I need to get to warmer climate, even if it's just long enough to try to get this situated. That being so cold, it's just almost impossible because I need to be able to have this thing like opened up to really be able to get everything finished. I need to be able to get all this all closed in. I can feel so much air coming in the door seals and stuff. Some better weather stripping, some filler foam and stuff just to kind of just fill that in. There's so many holes. Not sure what today is gonna hold. I'm gonna get up probably here in a couple hours and go to the gym. Work out for at least an hour or two. Got some more time in the morning. This is the week of Christmas, so there's no overtime at work, so I have to be at work until 7, so probably won't get up until about 4 to work out for an hour or so, and then to work. Maybe barely cold and try to film a how-to. I really want to put out a how-to. I'm gonna try to get into a better routine of kind of just logging the day-to-day, especially whenever it's so rough, because this is like the parts of van life that you don't see. I might end up getting up and starting the van. So I did get up just to start the van. It is about 20 degrees.
Oh God. Hopefully mercy.
Trap the body heat. When I come back to bed, even just for another hour. I'm just in a t-shirt and scrub pants, which are very thin. 20 degrees, not too bad. We've been in far worse. We definitely did single-digit temperatures before, and that was even before we had insulation. I'm gonna just hunker down for another hour. I got the van on. Burn some fuel and let it warm up just a little bit, take the chill out of the air. All right, so we're officially up. It's about 20 after 3. Nice and warm in here. Van's been running for about an hour. So thankfully the gas prices are super low right now, at least where I'm at. But I'm gonna get in there, I'm gonna work out for at least an hour or so, and then get myself to work. Probably in Pennsylvania for Christmas to visit with some of my favorite people. So me and Luna will be in Pennsylvania over Christmas. Hopefully get this van interior situated.
In the meantime,
we're just roughing it, toughing it, bluffing it. Alright, so out of the gym, Cat has breakfast. No, you're not getting treats for breakfast. That's no way to start the day. You get treats later. Get down there and eat something. So we're just gonna kind of hang out. I got, it's 5 o'clock now. I've technically got 2 hours-ish until I gotta be at work. So I'm just gonna hang out a little bit, visit with the kitty. She's in here pretty much all day other than my breaks by herself. So just gonna hang out. It is Wednesday, so super short week. Tomorrow is a Christmas party at work and everything, so it'll be a super mellow day. And then we're gonna get into the holiday. So see you guys, I guess maybe on my break or something. I don't know if I'll have a chance to check in or not, but at very least after work. So we'll see what we can get into. Hopefully I can get out and film a how-to. It'll be kind of fun to do it, you know, go out and do it in 25-degree weather, wouldn't it? So we'll see. All right, so I'm off work. I just made it back to Chardon. I'm just gonna get some food and work on some content creation. I might go out if I can find a well-lit area and film a pretty quick how-to. I've been wanting to do a how-to on nose 180s or nollie 180s. I think that's a trick that a lot of people find interesting, and it's one that's kind of difficult to figure out if you don't know where to get started. I think I'm just going to do that, hang out with the cat, chill in the van and eat some food, and try to keep this short and easy to digest. So we'll see you out there, and the how-to will be in the next video. So we'll see you out there nollie 180ing.